Afethu, whatever Umkhwanazi did to amaphoyisa or ama-investigate anything nje ku-SAPS, siyayibonga, siyayibonga. Manje there's uTebogo Malaka, who has been busted for tender fraud of 836 million, allegedly. Tebogo Malaka, tender fraud, 836 million. She got a tender to supply oxygen on 60 state hospitals. 836 million. At South Africa. Now, Tebogo Malaka is an IDT Chief Executive Officer. And lezi zinto zama-tender awungeke uzenze without anyone from a supply chain. So in this case, usebenzisana no-CC and other officials. Le investigation yaga Tebogo Malaka, it has also led to them finding out ukuthi there's also companies that benefited kule tender le, including a company called the Bolkeng that was awarded a tender without any paperwork or any necessary paperwork that is required for a company to have in order to obtain a tender. Now, Bolkeng, when applying for this tender, they submitted their South African health license. Bolkeng submitted their license and it's not theirs. So ba apply the tender with a license that belonged to another company. And that other company had no idea ukuthi this is what they were doing. Now, investigation also, when they brought the feedback, they noticed ukuthi ama cost wale project were they kept going higher and higher and higher. When they first applied, they had a certain amount. And then when they came back for a certain time for the same project, imali yakhona bese iphezulu. And when it was time for them to implement, then the money was phezulu. And it's not just small monies. Mamela, how much it is. So the first initial fee was 216 million when they were making applications. And then the second initial fee was 253 million. And then when it was time for them to implement, okay, Bafet, nitholile contract masenzeni, then they requested 595 million for implementation. Then initially, Bolkeng Pty Ltd, then they were approved, they were given a tender of 428 million, despite group yabo, the CIPD grouping yabo, it only allows them not to receive or apply for a tender that's more than 200 million. So, mina sengikhathele kuningi kakhulu man, kuningi kakhulu.